Pou was a real kickstart for us to really get our dreams and visions tangible. We can see it. When we look at the Pou and we see our tipuna there, that's driving a very strong positive mindset in our tamariki. And that relates to whānau ora and the well-being of our marae.
I think the first thing we have to understand with Koukourārata is Ngāi Tahu are recent interlopers. We've been here chronologically 1620, 1650, that period. But before this there was Kāti Māmoe there, and you had the ancient people, the Waitaha there, and the Huirapa and Hauia people. They all had their trails through here. So we're very recently on the scene, so to speak. But the important thing is when we meet, it's the relationships for all three which give us our credentials. These are the three Pou, which were very much the heart and soul of Huikai Ne. The story about bringing Huikai home, the way we did it, we brought him back in the form of a Pou, and of course with our fabulous cousin, Fayne Robinson there, the Kawa, Tūturu. I think the blue was for Huikai because he was the traveller. He came down with a makafua. And the one in the middle is Tūhaitara. I think the red is obvious for that Wahine Toane. She's an extraordinary woman in herself. She had been dead 5 generations before they did the big jump off down to here. But she's so feared and revered that they came down under the mana of her. And of course, Tautahi, he was the green, he moved to Christchurch, or Tautahi, named after him, of course. And of course, he was in the swamps and the ferns, so that the colours are appropriate for their personalities. The Pou are carved in oamuru stone, and they're carved in the shape of the waka, which tells a statement of the journey itself for all these three tupuna figures, as opposed to where we celebrate our children and our life. I think anyone who comes to Koukourārata today can feel that wairu in there. Just the presence of being here. When you leave, you know you're leaving somewhere special. And it has that ability to draw you back all the time. It's a reminder in so many ways of who we are, not who we once were, but who we are and the journey that we're on.